Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download VLC media into your Windows operating system for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to our Google Chrome browser and then we will going to search over here VLC media player. And you can see the VLC media player will be open, and then you just need to click over them and then you will get an option called VLC for Windows. So you can redirect to click on these VLC for Windows, but if you are using Mac OS or Android or iOS, you can click what you need. So I will going for the VLC for Windows, so click on that, and after that you will get an option called download VLC in a very simple interface. So click on that, and after a little bit short time you can see that the download is started over here. If you look at here, that it's downloading, which is only 41 MB, so it takes some minutes. And you can see that the download is completed. Now if you click on this folder icon over here, and then you will get VLC media or VLC 3.0.21 installation application. So click on that, click yes for the permission, minimize this, minimize the background, and you can see that you can okay, and click next and next, and then click next. And if you want to change the location or the folder, you can do it, but I was going to do that to go for this PC, and I was going to save it in Powerhouse. Click install, and you can see that installation is going through. And you can see that VLC media player setup is done. And if you now click on finish, and it will launch the VLC media into your operating system. So you can see that the VLC media desktop icon is over here, you can see. And as I said, the VLC media is opened, and you can do whatever you want to do with the VLC Media Studio. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.